Okay, this is our friend Al we just met with. We're talking about somewhere next month, right? Going to Block Island.
Yeah.
Which is an island. This is for some of my friends that are out of state. So that's Block Island is an island. What would it be? East of here?
What, Block Island?
Yeah.
South of here.
Yep. So that's part of Rhode Island, but it's an island to itself. And that'll be a.
That's east. East. West.
New trip for us. So that'll be a new adventure for us. But Captain Al here is experienced and will help
Learn
us.
to use the sun.
And then he was just telling me somewhere before the season ends, and I will go on his boat for this trip. We're gonna go to New York City, maybe. Go by the Statue of Liberty.
Because I'm crazier than a bed bug.
No
You
kidding.
coming with us, Hannah?
I'll think about it.
You'll think about it. Huh, imagine that.
What about you, Sean?
Yeah. Right, at Coney Island.
Gonna go to Coney Island?
We'll take you to Coney Island.
Yeah.
Let you go play on the ride. What's your favorite ride? Roller coaster?
Yes,
Yeah.
Thunderbolt.
That's mine, roller coaster. They used to be, I can't ride them no more.
This is Al has a Stingray just like ours. His is brand new. We actually bought our boat from.
Not brand new no more.
Oh, close enough.
It turned 1 year old this month.
We
This week.
bought our boat